so pretty. Pretty. I had the craziest dream last night.
What is up, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new here. My name is Amari, a college baddie who is about to go to school in 2 days. So we have 48 hours to get all my maintenance done, including lashes, hair, nails, toes, and brows, and just shaving. So that's pretty much it. Today is Saturday, August 23rd. It is 8:40 in the morning. Oh, is that wrong? Oh no, it's definitely 8:40, and I have to be to the appointment by 9, and it's like 20 minutes away. But she texted me this morning because my appointment was originally at 8:30. She texted me this morning. She said, can I come at 9 or 9:30? I texted back and said 9, but she hasn't responded yet. So even if I do come between 9 and 9:30, I don't think it should be a problem. But yes, good morning, everyone. I look a hot mess. I don't feel like my best right now. Like, I just feel like a bum. I did try to get pretty cute today. I'm trying to work on wearing jewelry more days than not. So this is like what they're looking like. Don't mind my nails yet. And this is what the other hand is looking like. So yeah, just trying to wear jewelry more, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road. Today is all about maintenance, and I'm also making another Rebrand My Life episode, so we also getting our life together. So the game plan today is lashes, toes, and potentially brow wax. And then tomorrow after church, it's brow wax for sure if I don't get it done today, hair, and then nails. And I'm doing my own nails, so I'll show you guys that. I'm trying something different, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to my appointment. I don't know like where it is exactly, so I am gonna have to look up my map. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm there. Oh, these are so fire. Thank you. Of course, of course. Okay, guys, how does it look? This is literally what was missing. Like, oh, she did so good. I will be coming to her again. I hope she never stops flashing, y'all. These are so freaking fire. But yeah, so the appointment was only about 2 hours and 15 minutes. And she did so freaking good. She's literally the sweetest ever. Only thing is I had to pee so bad, but I'm the type, I'm not ever gonna interrupt some like the appointment to pee unless it's like I'm getting my hair done or something. So I literally had to thug it out. Literally half the appointment I had to pee so bad. I feel like I was gonna have to cave. But yeah, she's literally the sweetest. The lashes so fire. Literally, like, I've never been able to match. Like she said, I gotta remember this was 18 D curl. I literally feel like I'm that girl. Sorry, not sorry. But okay, anyways, we're going to our nails next. I literally just want like French tip gel polish. That's where we're going next. I gotta figure out where I'm going. There was this one place I went in College Town, but I don't really know. We'll see where I end up going. I'm really not too picky with my toes. I just need them dogs done. Okay guys, so we made it to the nail shop and we're gonna go inside. I have my book, The Silent Patient, with me. It looks a little busted. I got it for $8 off of, I think, Thrift Reads is what it's called. So don't mind that. And I'm just so obsessed with these, literally this cute little jewelry. But I'm super excited. Gonna go read my book. I got my purse. I wish my kombucha's still cold. No, I'm so scarred. Like, I will never drink 2 hours before a lash appointment ever again. Yeah. guys, so literally just left the nail shop. My nails look so good. The tech was really sweet. We were just chopping it up, so I didn't get to read too much of my book. We were just trying to chill in, talking, laughing. It was a vibe. So I really wasn't doing too much reading, but I am on the way to Dunkin'. I maybe give me a matcha. I really want to, because I tried it the first time I ever tried matcha. It was at an Asian place and it just tasted like disgusting grass and dirt. So I tried it at Dunkin' one time and it was actually very fire. So we're going to Dunkin' to get another one, and then I'm going to probably pick up some quick food from McDonald's, because literally after this week I'm eating straight in the house. Like, my face is starting to get like really puffy. The skin is not skinning as much as it usually does because of what I've been eating. So yeah, maintenance for today is pretty much done. All that's left that I'm doing today is meal prepping. I just need to meal prep breakfast and dinner for the week. I think I want to get a meal plan soon, just for the days I'm on campus, just to give me a quick bite to eat. But I don't know, we're still thinking about it, just because like the dining halls aren't even close to like my classes. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that just yet.